Audi Adaptive Cruise Assist can help maintain a set distance from vehicles ahead. The additional lane guidance, if equipped, assists the driver with corrective steering to help keep the vehicle in the center of the lane. You can adjust if the Adaptive Cruise Assist will provide support with lane guidance. First, turn the cruise control system on by pulling the stalk toward you. When a desired speed is achieved, press the Set button on the end of the stalk. An indicator will appear in the speedometer showing the set speed. The Adaptive Cruise Assist icon will show the set target distance from the vehicles ahead. Distance is determined by the time interval between the vehicles and can vary depending on vehicle speed. Change the set target distance with the rocker switch on the stalk, up for more distance, down for less. There are 5 settings indicated by bars in the display. The more bars, the greater the distance. As you approach a vehicle ahead moving slower than the set speed, the system will decelerate and may apply the brakes to maintain the target distance interval. In stop-and-go traffic, if a vehicle ahead comes to a stop, the Adaptive Cruise Assist is designed to automatically brake and remain at a stop. When the vehicle ahead moves, Adaptive Cruise Assist may resume operation depending on conditions. To temporarily cancel Adaptive Cruise Control, tap the brake pedal. To resume, pull the stalk toward you to return to your last set speed. To turn the system off completely, push the stalk away from you to the second detent position. The indicator light will go out and the previously set speed will not be stored.